In this tutorial, you'll learn how to split text into two columns using Canva's text tools. To begin, click the Create button to start a new design. Then select a custom size, or choose a A4 landscape format to fit your needs. Next, open the text section from the sidebar and add a heading to your design as the starting point for your text layout. Once you've finished typing, position the text properly on the canvas. Now, review the main text you want to split. Select the section you want to copy or move. Switch to your design, then select the area where your first column will appear so you can start editing. Next, right-click and choose Paste to insert your copied text into the first column. Adjust formatting as needed by setting the font size, and click the check mark to confirm your changes. Select the next section of text, duplicate it, and get it ready for your second column. Now, we'll click the Group option to combine the two text boxes. As you can see, both columns are now grouped together and can be moved as a single object. You've now learned how to create two text columns in Canva. Thank you for following along.